Welcome to the Max Media channel. In this video, I have typed all the questions for the Junior Clerk Public Sector Organization. This test was held in 2019. So please subscribe the channel and hit the like button for more informative videos. Let's get started. Question 1. 3 to the power 8 under the radical 4. So the answer is 9, because 3 to the power 8 whole power, that is equal to 1 over 4. So 4 multiplied with this 2, 3 3 is 9. Question 2. Minus 1 under the root multiply minus 1. When we multiply this one minus 1 under the root whole square, so this 2 cancel with this one, so the answer will be minus 1. That's why the answer is minus 1. Question 3. If you had any sense, you would dash the machine long ago. So the correct option here is have sold. It's the present perfect tense, past perfect tense. So we have changed this tense to would have plus main verb third form. Question 4. The length of Pakistani flag is 16 meters. The ratio between green and white is 3:1. Find the length of the green part. So I have solved these questions. Given ratio 3:1, sum of the ratio 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. Total length equal to 16 is given in the question. So green part 3 multiplied by 4, 3 divided by 4 multiplied 60, that is equal to 12 meters. The answer is 12 meters. 5. In MS Word document, which of the following is used to create newspaper style columns? So that's the format columns. Question 6. If dash my passport, I will be in trouble. So the correct option here is I lose. Question 7. We came all the way dash food on food. Question 8. Headquarters of UNO are situated in New York. Question 9. At the end of the banquet, 7 people shake hands with each other. How many handshakes will be there in total? So 7 multiplied 3, that is equal to 21. In MS Word, the tool used to find a similar words in a document is called as thesaurus. Question 11. In MS Word PowerPoint, which of the following will be used to apply motion effects to different objects of a slide? So the correct option here is animation scheme. Question 12. LCM of 10, 16, 25. So the correct option here is 400. Question 13. X, Y, Z are 3 positive integer is x equal to 2y plus z, and x is not greater than 6. If z is not less than 3, then y must be equal to. So when you have solved this question, so the answer that is option A. Question 14. Which of the following word is spelled correctly? Accelerate. Question 15. The house was dash building. The house was an old nice stone building. Question 16. What is placed to the left of horizontal scroll bar in Microsoft Word? The correct option here is view buttons. Question 17. Which Muslim country is a member of NATO? So the correct option here is Turkey. Question 18. If the written price of the tie is Rs 200 and its discounted price is Rs 150, find the rate of a discount. So the correct option here is 25%. Question 19. Average weight of a 4 boy is 38.5 kg. Find the total weight of the boy. So the correct option here is 154 kg. This car is dash if you are interested in buying it. This car is for sale. Option A. Question 21. We all did dash in the test. So the correct option is well. Question 22. I was dash at the test result. The correct option here is surprised. Question 23. When was the state of the Swat included in Pakistan? 28 July 1969. Irfan Khan got 6 wickets and 14 runs. Find the average runs for each wicket, 2.33. In Microsoft Word, to change font on a document, you would need to click on the dash toolbar. So the correct option here is formatting. Question 26. In MS Word, dash controls the amount of space between each other. So the correct option here is character spacing. 27. The second largest continent by area of the world is Africa. In Europe it is smaller. Question 28. If you are in a race, what place are you in if you take over the person who is the second place? So the correct option here is the second place. 29. When my father was ill and had to go to death, my brother went to him. So the correct option here is hospital. The presentation of slides created in PowerPoint is called a slideshow. 31. We walk dash back to the school. The correct option here is slowly. 32. To select multiple non-adjacent cells in Microsoft Excel worksheets, you will click them holding. The correct option here is Control key. 33. In MS Word, background color or if it's applied on a document is not visible in print preview. 34. Today is Sunday, day before yesterday was Friday. 35. In MS Word, which key should be pressed to start a new paragraph? It's the correct option here is Enter key. In MS 36, in MS Excel, data can be arranged in ascending or descending order by using the sort command from data menu. 37. The product of two numbers is 2500. If their LCM is 125, then their LCM is, the correct option here is 20. Question 13. The number 1 is dash number. It's a natural number. Any number greater than 0, not including negative numbers. Question 39. Which of the following is a factor of 36? 16 is a factor of 36. Muhammad bin Qasim was the nephew of Hajjaj bin Yusuf. इसके साथ जो related questions है वो the Muslims came to Sindh in 712 under the leadership of Muhammad bin Qasim. Muhammad bin Qasim came to the Sindh in 712. Sindh was conquered by Muhammad bin Qasim during the period of Umayyah. Babul Islam is known as Sindh. Raja Dahir was the ruler of Sindh. Mohenjo-daro is located in Sindh. Question 47. Muhammad bin Qasim was tortured to death in the presence of Suleiman government. 48. Most important work of a teacher is to organize teaching work. इसके साथ और क्वेश्चंस भी है, ये भी पेपर में आ सकते हैं, तो काइंडली ये भी नोट कर लीजिए. 1. Which article declare Urdu as official language of Pakistan? Article 251 of the Constitutions. Question 2. Sihasitta. It is the six authentic books of Hadith की जो अच्छी किताब है इसको सियासिता कहते हैं. Question 3. Who added second azan in Jummah prayer? Hazrat Usman Radhiyallahu ta'ala anha. Question 4. What was the age of the Prophet being a prophet at the time migration to Medina? 53. Company that makes F-16 is Lockheed Martin. Question 6. Who appoint Chief Election Commissioner President? Question 7. Book of Imam Malik Al-Mutawa. Question 8. Which surah of Quran has Bismillah is twice? Surah Namal. Which surah of Quran has no Bismillah? Surah Tawbah. Question 10. Which languages is official language of UNO? 6 languages: Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russia, and Spanish. 11. Pakistan and Tajikistan are connected, separated by Wafan corridor. And 12. How many crop seasons are in Pakistan? Rabi and Kharif. 13. Saddam Hussein death December 30, 206. Second highest mountain in Pakistan, Nanga Parbat. 15. Treaty of Hudaybiyah was written by Hazrat Ali radhiyallahu ta'ala anha. Namaz Jannah is Farz Kifaya. 13. Farais and Hajj. एहराम वकूफ़ अरफात इन तवाफ़ की ज़ियारत 3 फ़राइज़ हैं इसमें. 18 total heads of zakat, it is 8. Pakistan current parliamentary government 15. Constitution schedule 5. Abdul Qadir studied engineering degree from Catholic University of Leuven in Belgium. Going to Muzdalifah is farz or sunnah or wajib? It's wajib. How President of Pakistan is selected? National Assembly, Senate, Provincial, cast to vote.